Imagine losing critical patient records during an EHR migration. How do you recover? If you're worried about data loss, inefficiencies, or compliance risks, you're not alone. Today we'll show you how to migrate data seamlessly from legacy systems to Epic EHR while avoiding the biggest pitfalls. Hi, I'm Scott, and welcome to OSP. Today we're tackling one of the biggest challenges in healthcare IT, data migration. A survey by the KIME found that 25% of healthcare organizations didn't have clear guidelines for EHR migration. Poorly structured or incomplete data can lead to system inefficiencies, patient safety risks, and compliance issues. Addressing these challenges with a strategic approach is crucial for a seamless transition. Today we'll go through the step-by-step process for Epic data migration. Let's begin then. Data migration is the process of transferring patient information from legacy systems to Epic EHR. Many hospitals struggle with data integrity during migrations, leading to potential errors in patient care. Ensuring accuracy is critical for compliance, interoperability, and seamless operations. Migration is tricky, and the common hurdles include data loss, system compatibility issues, and extended downtime. It is observed that many healthcare providers experience workflow disruptions post-migration. The good news? A structured approach can eliminate almost 90% of these risks. Step 1. Assessment and planning. A strong foundation makes all the difference. Before you start moving data, you need a clear plan. This includes identifying target system requirements like data format, structure, and compliance needs. Assessing Epic's data architecture to define what needs extraction. Establishing security protocols to stay compliant with HIPAA, FHIR, and ONC standards. Skipping this step? Bad idea. Poor planning leads to data mismatches, compliance risks, and integration failures. So take the time to do it right. Step 2. Epic data extraction. Now comes the heavy lifting, getting your data out of Epic. This step involves using Epic's data abstraction tools, APIs, and reporting modules to pull data. Extracting both structured data, clinical records, patient demographics, and unstructured data, physician notes, PDFs. Securely retrieving FHIR resources, HL7 messages, and CCDA documents. Think of this like moving out of an old house. You want to take everything important while leaving behind the clutter. Step 3. Data cleaning and normalization. You wouldn't move into a new house without sorting and packing properly, right? Same goes for data migration. Standardize extracted data so it fits the format of your new system. Eliminate duplicates, inconsistencies, and outdated records to avoid unnecessary storage costs and errors. Apply ETL, extract, transform, load, best practices to ensure clean, structured data is ready for migration. A cluttered dataset leads to EHR inefficiencies and inaccurate reporting. Clean it before you load it. Step 4. Data mapping and transformation. This step ensures Epic's data plays nicely with your new system. Align extracted Epic data with target schemas and terminology standards to maintain consistency. Map Epic-specific fields like flowsheets, encounters, and orders to the new EHR model. Ensure compatibility with HL7, FHIR, or custom data exchange formats. Misalignment here can lead to missing patient histories, billing errors, and broken workflows. No shortcuts. Step 5. Migration and integration. Time to move the data into the new system. Here's how it's done. Load transformed data into your EHR, analytics platform, data warehouse, or cloud storage. Establish interoperability bridges using HL7 interfaces, API endpoints, or custom adapters. Conduct data reconciliation to verify accuracy, completeness, and consistency. A rushed migration can lead to data loss and system downtime. Do it in phases for a safer transition. Step 6. Validation and post-migration testing. The last step? Double-check everything. Before fully switching over, you need to run system validation and parallel testing to catch any errors before go-live. Ensure data integrity, consistency, and usability in the new system. Set up real-time monitoring to fix any issues before they impact patient care. Skipping this step means risking data corruption, security breaches, and workflow disruptions. Always test before going live. So there you have it, the 6 key steps to a smooth Epic EHR data migration. Plan and assess your data needs. Extract structured and unstructured data securely. Clean and standardize data before migration. Map and transform data to fit your new system. Migrate and integrate in controlled phases. Validate and test before going live. What's been your biggest challenge with data migration? Drop a comment. I'd love to hear and assist. Moreover, for more details on Epic data migration, you can visit our website osplabs.com. Until then, stay tuned. We'll meet again.